Alright, so this is me trading SBS live. It's currently the 13th of August, and it's currently 5:40 a.m. New York time. I've taken absolutely 0 trades on this account through the whole London session, and this is just me trying to see if I can find a swing breakout sequence setup on a 1 minute chart. This is 5 minute or 1 minute zones. It's a 5 minute chart, maybe easier to see. High to low that took out the high, low to high that took out the low, high to low that took out the high. And currently trading out of this, it is a bullish setup. Trading into this, I'm looking for bearish setups. This range is pretty on red right now. Yesterday was much worse. It was like 10 points. Trade this time we can get like 20-30 points, so it's a much better and easier environment to trade in. So from this box here we can see that we broke the swing low right here, traded back up. Actually we traded back up here, took it down there. So this will be 4 right here. And I'll even put some lines here so you guys can see easier. This is 4, this is 2. Alright, so ideally we come up into the 50% of this box up here and start trading lower, right? So we got the break, got the pullback, got another break, and then back up into lower. And I'm looking to low into these, into this and into this box down here. So at least the new lows. If we close below 2, I'll also take the trade. That will also be counted as a reversal for me. So just patience here, waiting for the confirmation. If there's no confirmation, we don't take the trade. It is really that simple. Alright, looks like we are getting a trade. I'm taking a short here because I have complete certainty that we won't close above this now. Stop will be above this high right here. And down into this though we have around 20 points. Could be a nice TP. So in this case, let me just get rid of these now. We have 5 being the close right here. So this trade is basically just really standard, really clean, perfect setup. So these ones you take red, and then if you take these over and over and over again, you will make money. Follow the rules, take the setups that clean over and over again, you will make money. If you lose this trade, it has no impact on the bigger picture. If I lose this, I just know I'm closer statistically to getting a win. So I don't mind losing a trade. I don't mind losers, because I know without them, I'd just be fooling myself trying to never have losers. To never have losers is trying to always be right. And if you always want to be right when trading, you're gonna go bankrupt pretty quickly. Because one time you're gonna be wrong, inevitably. And if you're not ready for that, and if you're not gonna cut your trade or even add to the position, then that's financial suicide. You only want to add to winning positions. If the market goes against you, telling you you're wrong, why would you double down on that? That makes no sense. But if you know you're right, you want to squeeze out as much as you can before the market turns against you again. I hope that makes complete sense to you guys. We gotta do the opposite of what everyone else is doing when trading. 90% of people, they are letting their losers run longer than their winners. Think about that. That's what they're doing. Statistically speaking, they're letting their losers run more than their winners. So we gotta do the opposite. We gotta be good at cutting our losses, letting our winners run, and even adding to them. Because the 90%, what do? They are really, really fast to cut their winners to take their profit. And they're really, really fast at adding to losers. But that's not how the market works. So we gotta do the opposite, which is never add to losers, only add to winners. That's what we're gonna do. You also gotta be willing to accept the risk. You gotta be able to accept the risk before you take the trade. Meaning, when I put this trade on, I know my risk will be how many points, how many bucks, and I accept that I will lose that amount before I take the trade. That way it brings me no pain whatsoever if price comes directly into my stop, because I am prepared to lose that amount to figure out if this trade is going to work or not.